This is my mini workspace home automation system, and with this device over here I can easily control gadgets I have in my workspace, which include the fan, the monitor screen, my lightning points, and the rest of the system that I have here using this mobile application. Let me demonstrate to you how this project works. Fan on. Now with the connection that I have here, I can easily control my lightning point, the display system that I have here, my gadget which I have over here. And this video I'm going to show you how I could design this system with James, whom you already know, and I'm going to carry you through the whole process of the design of the electronics as well as the casing of this particular project. Let's get into it. I started off this build by first designing the circuit using Pro Tools simulation software and exporting the PCB file from my computer just as I have it looking just like this. Please don't mind that. I actually sent the file to China for manufacturing, and while awaiting the order, I did meet up with James for the design of the casing. James, who is proficient in CAD design, made necessary layout and positioning of the electronics board, as well as other coupling parts of the assembly. With everything in place, the next thing on this build is the assembly of the electronics board. I received my package days later from China, and just as I have the package wrap opened up, I have my board, which is a 2-layer PCB board. Next, I assembled the rest of the components just as I started soldering. Having the board taken its shape, I powered up the system just to test its functionality. All devices on. All devices off. With the board working as per design, I now move to the next phase of the project, which is packaging. James used two machining processes for the packaging of this project, and these include laser cutting and 3D printing. Having all these machined parts ready, I have them assembled for coupling. I use connecting wires to complete the rest of the connections just as I have everything well fitted. Testing all the parts once again for optimum performance, I set out to upload the final program on the board. Back here at MakeMaker, we observe a slight miscalculation for the casing. The top case, which is the orange and black perspex material, weren't fitting to the shape allocated for it. So, James needed corrections and have a new shape printed for it. This is the final look of the project. We made two models of this project just as I have one for me and the other for James. I love the look of this build and also the great design James made onto this system. In time to come, I will share with you all some great design which we hope to build together. So stay tuned as I will see you in the next project. Do have a blissful day.